再来关心美国的伊利诺州，当地日到暗发生有化学车摒弃的意外，而且因为车顶有载高度真悬的阿莫尼亚，是规个流出来，造成至少5个人死亡，5个人受伤。消防人员接到通报了后，赶去现场，把4颗雷1公里外的范围，差不多500个居民疏开。
化学车并且现场和几台警车、消防车围起来。美国伊利诺州的埃芬汉郡，当地日到暗头5点外，一台载满7500加仑、差不多28000外公升、浓度真悬的无水阿莫尼亚的化学凝结车向并车，造成大量的阿莫尼亚泄漏。警消人员是赶去现场封锁当地道路。
And began leaking after it was rolled over in the ditch. The last few hours, we've been working hard on a plan to offload the tanker. Late last night, a hazmat team had patched the ruptured area of the tanker, which slowed it down, but it did not stop the leak.
因为真体若是接触到无水阿莫尼亚，会真紧脱水，严重烫伤，引发呼吸困难，也是刺激目睭、鼻仔、脑的状况。接触到浓度较悬的无水阿莫尼亚，更有可能腐蚀人体组织，造成死亡。所以除了封锁道路，嘛建议疏散方圆1英里，差不多1600公尺以内住户500人左右。这个化学车并车，估计差不多有4000加仑的阿莫尼亚泄漏，造成真侪人死伤。其中死者内底有3个人是当地同一个家庭的成员。
I know that there are a lot of people out there that are working very hard to get that product out of there, to get it offloaded. But it is a complicated situation because of the accident, the damage done to the trailer and to the truck, and it's flipped over. So that is what is causing most of the trouble.
疏散了后，道路周围的空气一时间拢是浓度真悬的阿莫尼亚，造成赶到现场的警消人员爱等待阿莫尼亚浓度降低了后，才会当开始工作，把剩的阿莫尼亚转移去另外一台化学运输车。估计当地3在暗时，距离事发现场较远的居民，就会当先转去出来了。公司新闻台是唐平玉。